Hello friends, how is everyone? This is Umesh welcoming you once more to my YouTube channel Indian Everywhere. Today we are going for the hiking. This hiking is on the mountains, so let's go. So friends, finally we are on the location of the hiking. So let's go for the hiking in the mountains. So friends, you can see behind me what a beautiful place it is for hiking. So I will take you to all these valleys so that you can also enjoy. So friends, you can see where we are heading now. So I hope you can see the moon. That's quite big enough. So we will climb on this one now. I will try to go on the top. So let's go. So I'm trying to go on the top. As you can see, even I am alone, but no worries. I can still climb on the top. So friends, as you can see, I am on the top of the mountains, and wherever you can see, everywhere you can see the valleys. It's so beautiful here, really very beautiful. So it's getting dark now and we'll go down. So let's go down. So I will go down from this one. So let's go down.